The National Weather Service in Rothwell City has issued a red flag warning which is in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 3:45 p.m. Rothwell Daylight Time this afternoon. The fire weather watch is no longer in effect. Scattered thunderstorms will develop over central Lowtown this morning. Although storms will decrease overnight, thunderstorms will redevelop this morning and will continue through this afternoon. Light rain is expected at the onset of thunderstorms, but moderate to heavy rain is possible this afternoon. Regardless of precipitation, there is a potential for ignitions caused by lightning and large fire growth across central Lowtown. The main area of concern is the grasses and shrubs at elevations below 4,050 feet, such as the Rothwell grasslands and the northwestern part of the Rothwell Springs Reservation. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds and low relative humidity will create explosive fire growth potential. Repeat, the National Weather Service in Rothwell City has issued a red flag warning which is in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 3:45 p.m. Rothwell Daylight Time this afternoon.